Oh. Still shaking. You think we got enough speed going there? Oh! Shit. Heck. Is that Nick Outdoors?
How's it going?
How's it going, dude? Nice to meet you. Person.
Yeah. You guys just meet up here?
Yeah.
The top of Scotts Cobble.
We've been talking online for a while.
And just never crossed paths, so.
What's that?
So how do you like that Ripley? That might be my next bike.
It's so much fun. So much fun.
I got a Ripmo. I wish I would have gotten a Ripley.
That's what happened to me. I bought a Ripmo AF and I regretted it. Take it easy, man. Oh, let me get in the right gear here. Alright, getting warmed up on Blue Ribbon. Out here with Nick Outdoors. We're gonna rip Craig Woods today. It's our first time meeting up. It's gonna be fun. And then it's first ride right now, getting warmed up. But our plan is to hit Gold Jacket today. That's on the agenda. Woo! Yeah. You. No, I'm just Ewan. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Alright, we're gonna go scope out Gold Jacket. We doing it? I mean, if you hit it right, you should be good.
Just go, I guess. You're not gonna go deep on it.
Golly.
Crazy as you get it. Somebody cased it heavy.
Yeah. That's what I don't want to do.
Look at it from down here.
Okay, alright, bait it. I mean, you're definitely gonna get enough speed.
True. Yeah, that's a big
And you're gonna need it.
case.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, well, let's at least warm up on Green Jacket.
Gone away from chest.
Woo! Oh God! Overshot that one too.
I washed out back there.
Did you? I was like, it got too far back. What happened?
I'm so high up here right now. It's like
Case. But I think if we carry that speed, I don't think we'll have a problem. Oh yeah, like just that, like I was barely going. You're gonna pick up speed pretty good. Yeah. Woo! Hell yeah! You! Oh, that feels amazing, man. You! What's up?
let's do this again. That was fucking awesome.
Heck yeah. Woo! Yeah! Big whip. Phew! Oh, almost that tree again. Oh, so good. So good. Ah! That little dip right there. Yikes. Where's Papa? Yeah, that was amazing, man. That's what I live for right there, man. You want me to go first? It's just we gotta just do it like we did the last one.
I know, this is one of those things that
Didn't like my foot position.
one of those things that I looked at one point. I was like, no way, I'll never do that.
Yeah, I know.
Extra motivated.
And here we are. Here we are. Woo! Godly! Oh, Oh, dude, my left foot was not in the best position. And I was like, screw it, I gotta go. Oh, that was insane, man. I'm still shaking. Yeah. Let's go. But you did it, dude. It's over now. Now I gotta hit this. You think we got enough speed going there?
If I don't brake.
Yeah. We gotta full on commit to that too. Woo! Ah! Let go of the brake. God, that jump is huge. Woo. Ah, damn it. Oh my God! Woo! That's insane, dude. Let's go. Hell yeah. Gold jacket, baby. Check, check. Let's go, Nick. You got this, man. Yeah, dude.
I was like, I'm not going fast enough, and then I was like, I'm going.
You sent it, man. It looked good. I was like, hey, he's doing it. That's it. Again?
Yeah, dude.
All the way through? All right, so I realized I did not like close out the video in any way because unfortunately Nick took a really hard fall. We were cruising Gold Jacket. We were having a good time. I basically led Gold Jacket and we went down and we were cruising, or I was cruising. Thought he was right behind me for the longest time, and then when I got to a certain point, I stopped. He didn't show up.
Good.
He didn't show up a couple seconds later, and you know, I was like, okay, well, this is not good. So I was hoping it wasn't something serious, but it ended up being kind of serious. And I rushed back, and he was unconscious, but he's okay. I get up to him, and it took a while for him to recover and bounce back, and we're in the middle of the woods, so I'm like, how do I get him out of here? But long story short, turned out okay. We pushed through. We hiked back basically all the way back to the parking lot where I was, and then I helped him get back to where he had started from. He had done a long ride from Lake Placid area, so he had a ways to go back, and that wasn't happening. So luckily I was there and got him back, and he's doing good. So scary. It's always scary to see your friends down like that. Yeah, that's kind of why that was it. It was over there. But we, in the grand scheme of things, like, we had a really good session. Besides that, like, we had a really good time, and he'll be okay and bounce back, and hopefully we'll get back out there and hit some more trails here soon. But yeah, just why I kind of wanted to close that out here and just kind of get that little refresher update of why I just cut the video like we were just done at Gold Jacket, because he crashed on the jump. So right after the big drop, right off starting off at Gold Jacket, right after he hit the big drop, he did the turn, he hit the jump, and we don't really know what happened because I didn't hear him go down. I didn't notice he went down. There's some pretty good marks in the ground. He hit his head really hard. He had his helmet, of course, but messed his helmet up, obliterated the GoPro that was on his helmet. So he hit very hard. Key and point here, that's why you wear a helmet, all right? But like, seriously, like, if you didn't have a helmet, it could have been way worse. It wouldn't have been good. So that's it, man. That's a wrap for today's ride. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace.